drawer. Oh my gosh. Yeah, I think I keep this. This I just put in here, so we keep that. It's no more, guys. We share our. Okay, just leave here, guys. We declutter some of our clothes. Yeah, not just only a painting. We also share the clothes. So yeah, another declutter, guys. Yeah. Oh my gosh. Some is still hot tag. We need to share. Still continuing declutter because I have a lot of clothes, guys. And you can share. This one is Forever 21 divided. And I don't have sister. Then here again, still have a lot of jeans. This I never use. I wear once, and this one no. This is from Thailand, guys. I wanted to share that. I keep that for dancing. Then we share this, guys. Look at that. Oh my gosh. This is another paper bag. So guys, this is all our clothes and painting. Everything is here. But the painting we need more. So today is Friday. So we started declutter our painting yesterday, Thursday. So tomorrow we continue to declutter and more painting. So I need 30 pieces. We have only 14 painting. So let's see. So tired, guys. So hello. Happy Sunday, guys. Today is May 12. Happy Mother's Day. And yeah, so we will share our painting today and some clothes. And yeah, today is Sunday, guys. Happy Mother's Day. Yeah.
Thank you, Juliana, for your Mother's Day gift.
Just make me or call me.
Ayan ka naman yung anak.
Mother's Day! Mother's Day!
Thank you, Juliana, for sharing your talent to me. I love you.
Mother's Day! Wow, galing nga.
Thank you.
Nakatingin ka doon sa akin.
Kala na kasi picture eh. Thank you.
Mother's Day!
Thank you po. Thank you, Ate Jules.
Day! I have question. What is the longest verse in the Bible?
Longest verse. Ang pinaka-longest, Psalms 119. The whole chapter. Yeah.